Hi there. Yes, you. Welcome to Mostly Physiotherapy Center. My name is Abraham Linley, the director here. And today I have goodies. I'm introducing membership packages. There are so many people who need the physical therapy, but it can be expensive. And I understand sometimes there's a lot we have to put into work. But I'm introducing these packages so that it can be of benefit to the community and everyone around who would wish to experience the best of physiotherapy services. First of all, I want you to understand that physical therapy doesn't only deal with people who are in pain or who are arthritic, who have neurological cases. It is a tool that you're supposed to be using every day. You do something that is therapeutic to your body or detrimental to your body. So our main goal is to make sure that you understand how your body functions, where the limitations are, and how you can improve your function so that you're efficient in everything that you do. So physical therapy doesn't only work with for patients or for clients who are in pain or people who have any debilitation or limitation in their physical. Even when you're fit, when you're healthy and you don't have any pains or you don't have any limitation, it's good to have a certain set of exercises tailor-made personally so that you maintain your efficiency and you improve your efficiency with time. So we have 3 packages. The first one is the silver package where you pay 100,000. This covers you for a whole year, and within that year you have 40 sessions which you can spread within the year. You can decide to do 4 sessions every month for 10 months or however much you would prefer. And per session it entails a full package of physiotherapy, that is from exercises, from alignment of your body, from myofascial release and electrotherapy, and also a tailor-made set of exercises that will be now your homework, something that you can be able to do within your premises or at your comfort, so that you know that there is something that you're supposed to do at the end of every day, because every day's activity is part of what causes your body to ache and pain or limit you, because we tend to condition our bodies into different professional postures, because they are like doctors who tend to bend a lot throughout the day. We have secretaries or people who are in white collar jobs sitting at the office desk, always putting their hip flexors into a shortened form. So you get to understand how you mismanage your body during the day, and how you can have a tailor-made set of exercises that can counter the strain that you put to your body. And this tailor-made exercise doesn't mean you only do them in the evening. Some of them you can be able to do them even during your work time, because I normally ratio how you give your body health. Do you spend 10 hours messing up your body and then you only have 30 minutes to recover that, or you can spread in between your day, every 2 hours, 3 hours, you can do a little bit of a walk, a little bit of a stretch. Now that depends on your profession and how we assess you and how we are able to give you a tailor-made set of exercises that you can incorporate in your day-to-day activity, so that you have a spread balance of fixing your body at the same time you're doing your normal chores, so that you're able to bring food to your table. So the second package is the gold package, where you pay 300,000, and this covers you for 3 years, and within those 3 years you have 150 physiotherapy sessions, and every session is an hour, and you're able to ask your questions. You can demand whatever you prefer to be in your sessions. If you want also the exercises to be included in that session, we are here for you to serve the community that we are placed. God has placed us in this community, and our work is to give our best of services to you people. And the last package is the platinum package, where you pay 500,000, and this covers you for 5 years, and within those 5 years you have 300 sessions of physiotherapy. So this is the best deal that you'll ever receive out there, and it's giving back to your body. You invest in your body so that later in your life you know that there is a way or an adaptation that you've put in yourself that will give you longevity, will give you efficiency in the long run, and will make you more active and more healthy. This is what we do here at Mostly Physiotherapy Center, where you receive your touch of care. Thank you very much.